chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel Vietnamese cooking. Today I will show you how to make lobster balls bánh mì. This bánh mì my husband tried a food truck. Since then he just keep asking me like a kid, please can I make one? But I don't know what ingredient they use. But I have an idea. Let's do it. Okay, now you will need lobster balls. I make some daikon and carrot pickle. Look. If you don't know how to make it, comment below, let me know. I will do the movie or video for you. So here I use some hot chili, Japanese mayonnaise, and a sweet chili sauce. Also, you can use butter if you love butter. Cilantro, onion. So you will need oil. I turn on oil to fry the lobster. Let's see, 300. Oh, also you need bánh mì. It's bread. Look like this. Oh, I almost lost one. you can find any Asian market. They have this kind of bánh mì, really soft and yummy. Okay. Now we can fry the lobster. One bánh mì, I just put like 4 lobster and you can cut half. I think really simple, right? And you know, with pickle and add with sweet chili, I think really good sandwich. Oh, also I have a video to show you how to make bánh mì chả cá chả chiên. If you haven't checked out that yet, check out, really yummy too. You will love it if you love fish. Bánh mì really common in my country. Bánh mì means sandwich. I'm sorry. Just fry it. Let me cut cilantro. Also, if you want to put long like this in the sandwich, but I want to cut a little bit. I cut the onion too. Okay, we cut the onion. Now when we wait for the lobster fry, I can cut the bánh mì ready.
Oh, lobster roll like these? Awesome!
My kids love it. They're so excited. They're dancing. Now, you cut it like this. If you want your bánh mì more hot, just microwave. So, that's it. I will add some. Oh, also you can toast your sandwich bánh mì. Get a little pretty with butter. So now I add some Japanese mayonnaise, the bottom. And after this, we can put on top more. So my lobster almost done. You know when the lobster done, if they fluffy, they getting bigger. My kids so excited. They just dancing. They smell the lobsters. Mommy, I want it. Almost. Okay. Let me make the mayonnaise. Did you put? If you love more creamy, just add just sauce. When the lobster done, I will cut half, and I think one sandwich will fit 4 lobster, but you cut half, so become 8. Also my cat wants some. So if you see this sandwich, and if you interest with something, what kind of food you want to make and you're not sure, you can comment below. If I have an idea, I will give you. So we can learn together. Lobster mutton. Amat. So yeah, look, when the lobster looks fluffy, like this, we almost done. I will bring the camera and show you. See, getting bigger. When my lobster getting bigger, I will get some pickle. Put on banh mi. And my hot chili sauce. Get the chop it. So you put some mayonnaise first. Now you put the pickle. Daikon and carrots. If you love jalapeno, you can put on too. Here we go. Looks like this. And now I will take my, let me go get a napkin. My lobster done. Turn up the head. Look how big is it. Also, this one you can eat like snack too. With beer. So now I will cut the meatball. Okay, let me cut it. Chop half. Chop half like this and put in your sandwich. A little hot, be careful. Now I put on my sandwich. So I just chop half like this and just put around the sandwich. Next, we can put some onion, cilantro, and then some hot chilies. This is amazing. And now you can put sweet chili. And then add more mayonnaise. Hi, look. That's it. See you next video. Thank you for watching. Thumb up and support my channel. Bye.